Welcome to Revelation Unraveled. I'm your host, William Tapley, also known as the third eagle of the apocalypse and the co-prophet of the end times. On this program, I want to talk about two somewhat tragic events which occurred over the weekend, which I believe are prophetic warnings to our President, Barack Obama. I'm speaking about the events which occurred as far as Tiger Woods is concerned, where he had an accident outside his estate. And I'm also referring to the tragic deaths of 4 police officers out in Washington State. I believe these events are related in that they are warnings to Barack Obama. First, let's look at Tiger Woods. Now, I've always considered Tiger Woods somewhat of a doppelganger for Barack Obama. I believe that, first of all, they look very much alike. They are both very successful. They are both internationally famous. They are both of mixed racial heritage, and therefore they reflect America. It's interesting that Tiger's name is Tiger itself. And of course, Barack Obama is the leopard as found in Bible prophecy. A tiger has black and white stripes, also symbolic of racial mixture. And of course, the leopard is spotted black and white, another example of racial mixture. It's interesting also that neither one was raised a Christian. Barack Obama converted from being a Muslim, and Tiger Woods is still a Buddhist. But the really important facets of both of these young men is that they are symbols of America. They represent our success, our cultural makeup. They are young and energetic. They never seem to lose. I believe the events over this weekend show that they will indeed lose. I believe what happened to Tiger Woods is a prophecy of what is going to happen to Barack Obama. Now let's look at the tragedy out in Seattle regarding the 4 police officers who were killed. I just did a program just last week showing how 4 is an end times number, especially in a 3+1 combination. With these police officers, 3 were male, 1 was female. 3 were local residents, 1 was from Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. 3 died inside the coffee shop, 1 died out on the streets. I am sure we are going to find more 3+1 combinations when this tragedy is fully explained. What's really important, of course, is that the number 4 is Barack Obama's number. And what's even more significant is just a few months ago, there were 4 other police officers killed on the same day in Oakland, California. 44 is not only Barack Obama's number because he is the 44th president, but because he is prophesied in Daniel's chapter number 7. He is the leopard. He has 4 heads and 4 wings. That's why this latest incident concerning the deaths of 4 police officers, following the deaths of 4 police officers last March, is another end times warning to our President, Barack Obama. We are seeing many signs and wonders in these end times, and the events over this weekend are not accidental. A few weeks ago, there was a mysterious cloud that appeared over Moscow. I believe this was a warning to Vladimir Putin not to start World War III. I believe the events this weekend are warnings to Obama not to escalate the war in Afghanistan. Unfortunately, I do not believe Obama is going to listen to these warnings. And I also unfortunately believe that Putin will not ultimately listen to the warnings that he has been given either. According to Bible prophecy, the 3 horns, England, Russia, and America, will destroy each other in World War III. And if you would like more information or a copy of my free book, Revelation Unraveled, simply write to the address you see on your screen.